easy for them to get into things, especially around the holidays, but a little mischief can have big consequences.
News 3 reporter Anthony Sabella spoke to a local emergency veterinarian who says what you have around the house right now could be toxic to your pet. So what should they be avoiding?
I mean, pretty much anything except for their usual pet food or their usual treats. You'll be taking a chance if you give your pets people food. Dr. Jacqueline Zidzik at Blue Pearl in Virginia Beach, she says right now she's seeing a lot of pets with gastrointestinal symptoms, so vomiting, diarrhea, things like that. Often enough, it turns out they got into some chocolate, which is toxic to pets, dark chocolate especially. Sometimes it's the owners feeding from the table, she says. Turkey, even a little bit of ham can cause pancreatitis in dogs. Then there's the decorations they get into. So really make sure you're paying attention. If you notice that your pet is throwing up, not just once, but multiple times, or they're not eating, or they're acting lethargic, it's probably time to call the vet. And if visitors bring their dogs over, use caution. Believe it or not, Dr. Zidzik says dog fight injuries are common this time of year.
Well, if you have family members that are going to bring their pets, if the pets haven't met before, maybe keep one animal in one area and one in another, just so that we know, and always have them monitored, slow introductions, because sometimes not everybody gets along, and we can definitely have fights and injuries from that.
Another thing to watch out for are poinsettia plants. They might be nice to look at around this time of year, but they are also toxic to a lot of pets, so keep them up high or just don't have them in the house. Then, of course, there's the tree water. I don't know if you guys remember in Christmas Vacation where the dog gets into the tree water. Dr. Zidzik says if your pet drinks it, it could end up with some GI symptoms, so you want to keep that covered.